Featured here is Sustainable Seed Company's Lavender Collection. It comes in this waterproof mylar bag that is resealable. You'll also receive Vera lavender seeds and Spike lavender seeds. You'll also receive a 96-page herb planting guide. Now, there are over 14 varieties of herbs that are featured in this book, but 24 pages are exclusively devoted to your success with lavender seed. Happy planting! This collection comes complete with Sustainable Seeds' exclusive 96-page herb planting guide. This guide contains over 14 different types of herbs that are featured in its pages. You'll learn how to start seed, harvest your bounty, and also save seed. It also features 24 pages alone just on growing lavender. Also, 24 more pages are dedicated just to growing basil. You'll also receive in this book an entire recipe cookbook section, as well as a planting guide on the back. Lavender is simple and easy to grow from seed, but you do need to follow a few rules. Number one is cold stratification. Now, these instructions are in our 96-page herb guide. But basically what that means is they need to be in your refrigerator for about 3 weeks. This simulates winter conditions and help the seeds sprout. Next, we have filled this pot here with a nice sterile soil. It's a typical gardening mix you can get anywhere. We're going to use a little bit of sand on top because lavender needs a really good drainage. So what I'm doing is just kind of putting the sand here. I'm going to spread it around a little bit, kind of get it nice and level. And then I'm going to take my seeds and, whoa, that's plenty. So literally I'm going to take my little seeds here and I'm going to move them around a bit. I don't want them all scattered in the same place. Just a little bit here and there. And then what I'm going to do is take some soil and cover these up very lightly. So now I'm going to take some of the same potting soil, and I know my hand's in the way here, but I'm just lightly covering, barely covering the top here. Let me zoom out a little bit. So now I've lightly, ever so lightly covered the top, maybe a 1/4 inch in depth. I'm going to take a spray bottle and spray these in like this. Get them nice and wet your first time around. Now, don't let these dry out. You don't want to drown them either. And again, these detailed instructions are in our 96-page book, but be patient. Lavender takes a while to actually sprout, but you will see little baby lavenders sprouting out of here in no time.